guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Kimi K3 on Visual Studio Code. So for this one, in Google search box, write there Kimi, then go on this kimi.com. Here you can see Kimi AI with K3. Then let's click on this Kimi Code. There you can get this terminal and ID. Click on this ID. And let's scroll down. This you can get. So install in VS Code. Clicking this. Then you can get this number of download that's done. Click on this install. And check this open Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code must be in your system. And this here, you should wait for a few seconds. And this here, you can see Kimi Code, or this is come there. Let's click on this install. Trust. So this here, installing this one. So this come from Moonshot AI. This number of download official plugin for VS Code, and this is currently installing. So this turn here. There you can see this Kimi code that's come there. Now, here you need to do the sign in with the account. So if you click, then you can get this. You need to click on this open. And this here, Kimi AI with K3, this come there. Then you can do the login with the phone number or Google account. And after doing the login here, you can start using the Kimi Code K3 inside your Visual Studio Code. So by following these steps, you can easily install their Kimi K3 on this Visual Studio. So I hope guys, this video is still helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.